My dear friend, how are you? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You are at your home because due to coronavirus, so stay your home, save yourselves and your family. Always follow the rules of health. Always follow the rules of health. Always follow the rules of health. You are in your home, but you have to study for the future. My dear student, my dear learner, you have to struggle for the future. So, when you are in your home, you must learn your study. Kotsarpur High School arrange online class for you so that you can learn or study your lesson by staying in your home. I am your assistant master Muhammad Imdadul Haq, going to take English class for class 8. So my dear students, you are okay? I ask some question for you. If you have in front of me, you can answer the question, but you are at your home. So I shall try to best level to understand how to understand it. We are Bangladeshi. There are 6 seasons in our country. These seasons are divided into also 2 their temperature. One is very hot, that means summer, another is cold, that means winter. What do you feel now? I think you feel very hot, humidity, sticky, a lot of sweat to you. Because the temperature is high, the atmosphere is full. So what do you need to feel comfortable in this time? I think you need the ceiling fans, table fans, AC, cold air, such type of things. What do you need in the winter? If you want to comfortable, I think you need sweater, muffler, and any other things. If you want to sound sleep, what do you need? I think need quilt, Nokshi Khata. So my dear student, today's lesson is unit 1, lesson 2. Nokshi Khata. Your topic's name is subject Nokshi Khata. Think yourself, what purpose do you need the Nokshi Khata? You also answer the Nokshi Khata need for our sound sleep comfortable, to protect bitter cold or bitter several winter. So my dear student, I am going to give you some new words for the Nokshi Khata, new words for you. My dear student, there are a lot of words here that all are known to you, but some are very hard or it is not known to you. So artistic is another word, indigenous, traditional, old, etc. If you in front of me, you can ask directly, but you are not in front of me, so you do not ask me. If you comment me, I think it would be better for me. Artistic, that means art. Artistics, that means doing something or is done something skillfully. Is doing something skillfully. Something is done, we can write down or something is made skillfully. My dear student, another indigenous, that means native. Local. Traditional. Another word, traditional, that means existing in. Old, here in this passage, old means used. In this passage, old means used, not aged. My dear student, there is another word, quilt. What the means of the word quilt? A heavy and comfortable cover made of cotton, my dear student, we can study or read out the passage aloud. Nukshikata is a kind of embroidered quilt. The name was taken from the Bengali word naksha, which means artistic pattern. It is a kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal, India. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. The name Nukshikata became popular after the poet Jasimuddin's poem Nukshikata Mat was published in 1929. Traditional khatas are made for family use. Old or new cloth and thread are used to make these quilts. Maimanching, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogura and Jashore are most famous for this craft. Now it is produced commercially. You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and designs embroidered on them. Do you understand this passage? I think you all are understand, some of not. You need to Bengali meaning sometimes. So in my online class, I want to translate it in Bengali. My dear friend, listen to me very carefully and attentively, because the lesson is very important for the JC exam. So my dear friend, I read out again the passage with Bengali meaning. Nukshikata is a kind of embroidered quilt. নকশিকাঁথা নকশা খচিত বা নকশা তৈরি করা শৈল্পিক এক ধরনের কাঁথা। The name was taken from Bengali word নকশা, which means artistic pattern. এই শব্দটা গ্রহণ করা হয়েছে একটি বাংলা শব্দ নকশা থেকে, যার অর্থ শৈল্পিক কাজ। It is a kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. এটা আমাদের ঐতিহ্যবাহী এক ধরনের শিল্প, যেটা বাংলাদেশ এবং পশ্চিম বাংলার নিজস্ব বা দেশজ বা দেশীয়। The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. শত শত বছর ধরে এই শৈল্পিক কাজ আমাদের দেশে অনুশীলন হয়ে আসছে। The name Nukshikata became popular after the poet's Joshimuddin poem Nukshikata's Mat was published in 1929. 1929 সালে আমাদের বাংলাদেশের বিখ্যাত কবি জসিমউদ্দিন নকশিকাঁথার মাঠ গ্রন্থটি প্রকাশিত হওয়ার পর এটা জনপ্রিয় হয়েছিল সারা দেশে। Traditional khadas are made for family use. এটা আমাদের পরিবারে ব্যবহার করার জন্য সাধারণত এই কাঁথাগুলো ব্যবহার করা হতো বা তৈরি করা হতো। Old and new cloth and thread are used to make these quilts. আর এই কাঁথা তৈরি করার জন্য আমাদের ব্যবহার করে থাকে পুরাতন বা ব্যবহৃত কাপড় চোপড়, নতুন কাপড় চোপড়, সুতা, সূচ ইত্যাদি। ময়মনসিংহ, জামালপুর, রাজশাহী, ফরিদপুর, বগুড়া and যশোর are most famous for its craft. আমাদের দেশের 6টা জেলা, বিশেষ করে ময়মনসিংহ, জামালপুর, রাজশাহী, ফরিদপুর, বগুড়া এবং যশোর এর জন্য বেশি বিখ্যাত। Now it is produced commercially. বর্তমানে এটা বাণিজ্যিকভাবে উৎপাদন করা হয়ে থাকে বা তৈরি করা হয়ে থাকে। You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in city. শহরে ব্যয়বহুল দোকান বা অত্যাধুনিক দোকানগুলো এগুলো তুমি দেখতে পাবে। These quilts are now in great demand. এগুলোর চাহিদা এখন বেশ ভালো। Of its colorful patterns, design embroidered on them. এর রং, এই শৈল্পিক সৌন্দর্য, এর দিক সুন্দর, এর জন্য এটা অত্যন্ত চাহিদা বেশি। Now my dear student, I read out the lesson again. You can understand these things. We read out a lot of things. Now I show you a game. Look at the board again. There is a rider man ride on a wall. You want to move, go one place to another, so that he is driving a cycle. There is a fill in the gap. We have to do these things. We have to fill in the gap. So you practice in your home which word selected in this place. First, you look at the word fashion, centuries, pattern, Naksha, Bengali, designs, patterns, and quilt. These were appropriate for the fill in the gap. We should select the word in each gap. So my dear student, try to yourself which word is appropriate for each gap. First, I read out the first sentence. Naksha means artistic. That means here is 8 words. Fashion, centuries, pattern, Naksha, Bengali, design, patterns, and quilt. So try to I think you tries in your khata. At first, if we give the wrong word is gap, the cycleman fall down. If we select the right word, the cycleman can go ahead. So at first try right or wrong maybe. Naksha means artistic, patterns or pattern. Which is correct? Try at first. Artistic patterns. If wrong, the rider man fall down. At first we try to. The rider man fall down because the word is not appropriate for the gap. Again try pattern. We can see the diagram go ahead. Also our words show in the fill in the gap. Pattern. The name was taken from a dash word dash. The name was taken from a which is correct. I think Bengali. Bengali word which is Naksha. The 3 word is correct, so the rider man go ahead. Number 3, the art has been practiced in rural Bengal for Khalighar, dash, fill in the gap. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for, we have two gaps, select the word, for fashion, design, centuries, I think centuries. Nokshikata are now sold in dash shops. Which is correct word in this place? That means I think fashion. The rider man also go at the end of the part. So we have to select another 3 word is gap. Nokshikata are in great demand because of their colorful patterns and fill in the gap. patterns and which is correct designs. Nokshikata are a kind of quill. So I think you all win. You get a nice number. So my dear student, we play a game. This is the rules of the practice in our examination. We have to complete some sentence, fill in the gap and get a nice number. So my dear student, we read out the passage and complete a fill in the gap. Now we have to do another things. If you inform my class, it would be better to me. Question. Some question we have to answer in the examination. So I give you some question and answer the question in your khata. First question. Where was the name taken from? Where is the name taken from? If we read out the passage again, we can find out. The name was taken from the Bengali word Noksha. The name was taken from a Bengali word Noksha. We have to answer this question in this way. Answer this question. The name was taken from a Bengali word Noksha. Another question. How long has the art been practiced? Another question. Why are the Noksha Kata is great demand? What are the Noksha Kata? The Nakshikartas are a poet. In this way you can answer the question. If we answer all the questions in this way, we get a nice mark in our exam. So my dear student, I read out the passage, give some new words and its meaning, and fill in the gaps. Also, 2 questions for you. So my dear student, I give you a homework. Try to do the homework at your home